Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the PC and launching recovery right away. You need admin access, so save files and close apps to avoid corruption. Then open Settings, choose Update and Security and click Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, select Restart Now. If Windows won't boot, force a shutdown during Windows logo 2 or 3 times to trigger the recovery environment. Once done, the system will reboot into a blue options screen. Make sure to follow the prompts for advanced options next. Once in the blue recovery menu, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and pick Startup Settings. Select Restart to reveal boot choices. When the PC restarts, you'll see numbered options. Press 4 to boot safe mode, press 5 for safe mode with networking if you need internet, or press 6 for safe mode with command prompt. Choose the one that matches your troubleshooting plan, because safe mode loads minimal drivers and services to isolate software or driver problems effectively. After testing, you'll reboot normally. To finish, apply the fix you needed, uninstall drivers, run antivirus, or use System Restore, then restart to exit safe mode and confirm normal operation. If problems persist, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano or dism commands to repair system files. If safe mode won't start, check BIOS settings like storage mode or disable fast startup in power options. These can block recovery. One key troubleshooting tip: create a restore point and backup before major changes so you can roll back quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.